Not 1, 2 or 3, but 21 videos in 21 days. That was tough. That was hectic. But I had finally wrapped my New Year resolution. Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Ankur and my stories are different.
Just don't say another word. These thoughts you've imagined aren't real, aren't adding up.
So it was 24 December last year when my editing mentors Tharun and Neeraj Bhai had announced about 21 days challenge.
Around 5:30, stay until the morning, then I carry on and live my hollow life.
And that's when I decided to come out from my comfort zone and do some serious work. From this whole lonely and boring life to create something, to create my life. So I generally wake up at 6 and forget everything. No food, no friends, no calls and no texts. Just 1 to 2 hours of pure work. Just me and my laptop hanging out together. This life hack gives me up to 4x output. Good job. Now it's 8 o'clock. I need to rush to college. Well, I am least interested in lectures. I just make sure my scripting is done in classes. Finally, the hectic part of academics is over. Now it's time for a nap. But wait, you suddenly remember it's 7 PM evening and you have not posted anything today. Again 3-4 hours of playing with Premiere Pro, sound effects, transitions and all that stuff. And finally posted the new video at around 11. I still have 1 hour before sleep. I usually spend that 1 hour searching for new topics and contents for my upcoming videos. This cycle goes on for 21 days starting from 1st Jan to 21st Jan, where I have to create at least 2 long form videos and the rest short form videos. But also improving my design, editing, content writing, engaging more viewers, as the ultimate goal of 21 days challenge was self-development. These 21 days were both fun and challenging, like if you don't work hard, your competition will eat you. Well, I didn't gain 1000 subscribers or 1 billion views or something else. But the most important thing is, this introvert boosted his self-confidence. Because when you turn on camera and anchor yourself, you upgrade your communication skills. And by doing this consistently, you upgrade your efficiency every day. You upgrade yourself every day. Every day you tend to become faster, experienced and more innovative. So this was it. I exceeded my limits and I completed 21 days challenge. See you all next week and keep developing every day and keep overcoming your fears. Peace.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could've played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a